Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Tamanna from MedLife with Dr. Tamanna. So, today I would be telling you about a major vitamin D supplement that is calciferol, advised mostly of us when we are vitamin D deficient. In today's generation, most of us are having, if we go for a vitamin D3 or D2 test, we mostly are deficient. We found ourselves deficient of vitamin D. So what we do basically is that we are advised to take as a vitamin D supplement, that is the calciferol. मतलब हमें बोला जाता है कि you take go for calciferol as a vitamin D supplement with a milk. But होता क्या है, whenever we go to medical shops, we get confused, and instead of vitamin D supplement as a calciferol, we go to calciferol, which is a duplicate product, and we should not go for that, because what happens basically, that damages our kidney. Calciferol, which is not as good as calciferol, because calciferol is a major vitamin D supplement extracted from our body, and that is mostly advised to most of us. But in the case of calciferol, if we go to calciferol, what happens is that it may cause renal stones, uremia, and ketone body formation, and that are very harmful for our kidneys. So I would suggest that don't go for the calciferol, and whenever you go to a medical shop, just look at the sachet and just read whether it's a calciferol or a calciferol, because calciferol is the actual vitamin D2 and D3 supplement, whereas calciferol doesn't support that. So whenever you go for it to a medical shop, for awareness, just look at the sachet, read the product quality, and always go for calciferol. If ever you are prone to osteomalacia, osteoporosis after 30, 40, mostly women are more prone to such diseases. So I would suggest you should go for calciferol. For more such interesting and knowledgeable updates, just stay tuned to my channel, MedLife with Dr.